Hi students, it's Mrs. Carnes and I'm going to show you how to access and use the information about diverse farming methods to add to your understanding. In Schoology, under Upcoming, you will see a puzzle piece that says Other Farming Methods. This is not an attempt. It's a way to gather your understanding and make sure you understand before you take notes. I'm going to show you what this looks like and how to use the tools. You want to make sure that you use these tools and get all of the answers correct before you go to your notes so that you know exactly what you're going to be taking down notes for. Notice it says different approaches to growing food. We have diversified farming, sustainable palm oil and prairie strips, and customary forests. Here's a link to the story map if it's easier to open it in a new page. I am going to open it in a new page maybe. We'll see how well this works. The first part is diversified farming. Do you see this bar right here? You pull this bar down and there will be different information that comes up and videos. You have to be really careful to pull this down and read and look at information as you go. This picture above shows a field where a farmer grows food using intercropping. The field contains a mix of grains, rye, and oats. Intercropping is a way to grow food that mixes two or more crops on the same area of farmland. This is sometimes called diversified farming because there is more than one crop grown. So that's what's shown here. There's a variety of plants growing. Then we go down. Now notice it's shifting to case 1, diversified farming in Costa Rica with palm oil. And it's showing Costa Rica. It also is a rainforest area, and so palm oil is able to be grown there. Now if I keep scrolling down, it says Dr. Rodolfo Durzo and his team work with palm oil farmers in Costa Rica to practice intercropping. When they intercrop, they mix other kinds of crops with the oil palm plants. Notice the screen is getting dark and now there's a video. Now we'll see if this video fully shows here or if I'm going to need to open the link instead. Watch the video to hear Dr. Durzo explain why they use diversified farming to grow oil palm with crops. Oh, I can't see the volume thing. Oh, so I am going to have to go to the link because there's no way I can hear him. You have to actually click the volume on. So let me scroll back down. Sounds like it's going to be easiest just to go straight to opening the link because right over here is where the volume is. It starts slow, so don't think it's not starting.
Professor.
Okay, so you're going to continue listening to him explain. And then after, you will scroll down. You'll see some pictures labeled. These will, you'll understand this better when you listen to his explanation. And then you just keep scrolling down. You just can't scroll too fast, and you can't use the touch screen. You actually have to use this little scroll bar. So you'll keep scrolling all the way down. Now we have case 2. And we have another explanation about this farmer and some pictures of and some text on the side. And you need to read the text on the side and look at the pictures. And then this section is done. So then you could go back into your assignment and look at the questions and answer the questions that go with this part of the story map. So we still have diversified farming, here. And then the next, see how it shifts here to sustainable palm oil and prairie strips. So now we are finished using this part and we need to click over to here. We need to go through the same process of looking at pictures, reading, watching the video, and then go back here and answer the questions. So starting at question 4, we are at the sustainable palm oil and prairie strips. That is 4 through 4 through 6. Starting at 7, now we're at customary forests, and customary forest is right here. So now we'll go and click customary forest, do the same thing, pull the bar down on the side to read, see pictures, videos, and information, and you'll finish answering those questions. What you want to do is make sure that you get 100%. That way you know you have the right answers, so then you can go to your notes. The notes look like this, where you put the types of, type of growing method. How is it different from monocropping? Mono meaning one, single crop. How does this help populations and ecosystem? And how does this benefit farmers? So there are boxes to fill out and then questions to answer. Again, these answers to these questions, you will have accurate answers to when you finish this with 100%. You got this.